Pressure builds gradually. Most people rush this and get it wrong. First question. What does it mean that Python lists are mutable? A. List elements can be changed after creation. B. List length is always fixed. C. Lists are immutable like tuples. D. Lists cannot store objects. Correct answer is A. List elements can be changed after creation. Second question. Which operation modifies a list in place? A. Append. B. #name. C. Slicing. D. Copy. Correct answer is A. Append. Third question. What happens when you assign one list to another variable? A. A new independent copy is created. B. Both variables reference the same list. C. The list becomes immutable. D. The list is converted to a tuple. Correct answer is B. Both variables reference the same list. Fourth question. Which method removes the last element of a list by default? A. Remove. B. Pop. C. Clear. D. Del. Correct answer is B. Pop. Fifth question. How does list slicing behave regarding mutability? A. It returns a new list. B. It modifies the original list. C. It returns a tuple. D. It returns a view. Correct answer is A. It returns a new list. Sixth question. What is the result of list underscore a plus equals list underscore b? A. A new list is created. B. List underscore a is extended in place. C. List underscore b is modified. D. Both lists become immutable. Correct answer is B. List underscore a is extended in place. Seventh question. Which statement is true about list copying? A. List copy creates a shallow copy. B. Copying duplicates nested objects. C. Shallow copies share inner objects. D. Copy modifies original list. Correct answer is C. Shallow copies share inner objects. Eighth question. What happens if you modify a nested list inside a shallow copy? A. Only the copy changes. B. Only the original changes. C. Both change independently. D. Both reflect the change. Correct answer is D. Both reflect the change. Ninth question. Which operation changes list length? A. Index assignment. B. Pop. C. Sorting. D. Reading elements. Correct answer is B. Pop. 10th question. Why can mutability cause bugs in functions? A. Because lists are slow. B. Because default arguments persist state. C. Because lists cannot be returned. D. Because lists are thread safe. Correct answer is B. Because default arguments persist state. 11th question. What is the main purpose of a project structure in Python? A. Improve code execution speed. B. Organize code for maintainability. C. Reduce memory usage. D. Enforce typing. Correct answer is B. Organize code for maintainability. 12th question. Where should reusable logic usually be placed? A. In the main script. B. In separate modules. C. In comments. D. In test files. Correct answer is B. In separate modules. 13th question. What file makes a directory a Python package? A. main.py. B. config. YAML. C. __init__.py. D. requirements.txt. Correct answer is C. __init__.py. 14th question. What is a common role of a virtual environment? A. Version control. B. Isolate dependencies. C. Speed up execution. D. Enable multiprocessing. Correct answer is B. Isolate dependencies. 15th question. Where are third-party dependencies typically listed? A. setup.py. B. logs.txt. C. requirements.txt. D. readme.md. Correct answer is C. requirements.txt. 16th question. What should the main entry point of an application do? A. Contain all business logic. B. Handle configuration and orchestration. C. Run tests only. D. Define classes only. Correct answer is B. Handle configuration and orchestration. 17th question. Why is separating modules important? A. It reduces import time. B. It improves readability and testing. C. It avoids syntax errors. D. It enforces OOP. Correct answer is B. It improves readability and testing. 18th question. Which folder usually contains automated tests? A. src. B. data. C. tests. D. scripts. Correct answer is C. tests. 19th question. What is a downside of putting everything in one file? A. faster execution. B. harder to debug and maintain. C. better performance. D. fewer imports. Correct answer is B. harder to debug and maintain. 20th question. Why should configuration be separated from logic? A. to avoid imports. B. to allow environment-specific settings. C. to reduce file size. D. to increase speed. Correct answer is B. to allow environment-specific settings. 21st question. What is a pandas data frame? A. a one-dimensional array. B. a two-dimensional labeled data structure. C. a database table. D. a NumPy scalar. Correct answer is B. a two-dimensional labeled data structure. 22nd question. What does df.lock primarily use for selection? A. integer positions. B. Boolean masks. C. index labels. D. random access. Correct answer is C. index labels. 23rd question. How does df.ilock differ from df.lock? A. It uses labels. B. It uses integer positions. C. It modifies data. D. It filters columns. Correct answer is B. It uses integer positions. 24th question. What happens when you assign a new column to a data frame? A. The data frame is copied. B. The column is added in place. C. The data frame becomes immutable. D. An error is raised. Correct answer is B. The column is added in place. 25th question. What is the result of df? Drop, column, axis equals 1. A. The original data frame is modified. B. A new data frame is returned. C. The column is hidden. D. The column is renamed. Correct answer is B. A new data frame is returned. 26th question. Why can chained indexing be dangerous? A. It is slower. B. It may create ambiguous copies. C. It deletes data. D. It crashes Python. Correct answer is B. It may create ambiguous copies. 27th question. What does df apply do? A. Vectorized arithmetic only. B. Row or column-wise function application. C. Sorting. D. Merging. Correct answer is B. Row or column-wise function application. 28th question. What is a common cause of setting with copy warning? A. Using ilock. B. Chained assignment. C. Missing values. D. Large datasets. Correct answer is B. Chained assignment. 29th question. In data science pipelines, which situation most commonly leads to silent data leakage? A. Training and test data are fully separated by time. B. Feature engineering is applied before the train-test split. C. Missing values are handled after model evaluation. D. Hyperparameters are fixed before cross-validation. Correct answer is B. Feature engineering is applied before the train-test split. 30th question. Why is vectorization preferred in pandas? A. It uses more memory. B. It improves performance. C. It simplifies syntax. D. It avoids indexing errors. Correct answer is B. It improves performance. 31st question. What is the main purpose of inheritance? A. Code duplication. B. Type checking. C. Code reuse and extension. D. Memory optimization. Correct answer is C. Code reuse and extension. 32nd question. What problem does encapsulation primarily solve? A. Slow execution. B. Data hiding and protection. C. Multiple inheritance. D. Dependency management. Correct answer is B. Data hiding and protection. 33rd question. Why should internal attributes be prefixed with an underscore? A. To make them immutable. B. To indicate intended internal use. C. To improve speed. D. To enforce typing. Correct answer is B. To indicate intended internal use. 34th question. What is a common risk of deep inheritance hierarchies? A. Clearer structure. B. Increased complexity. C. Faster execution. D. Better testing. Correct answer is B. Increased complexity. 35th question. When should composition be preferred over inheritance? A. When behavior must be reused. B. When relationships are rigid. C. When flexibility is required. D. When using abstract classes. Correct answer is C. When flexibility is required. 36th question. What does method overriding allow? A. Rename methods. B. Replace parent behavior. C. Add new attributes. D. Delete parent methods. Correct answer is B. Replace parent behavior. 37th question. Why should base classes have minimal responsibility? A. To reduce memory usage. B. To avoid tight coupling. C. To improve performance. D. To simplify syntax. Correct answer is B. To avoid tight coupling. 38th question. What is a practical use of protected attributes? A. Public API access. B. Internal subclass customization. C. User input validation. D. Serialization. Correct answer is B. Internal subclass customization. 39th question. Why is calling super important? A. It speeds execution. B. It ensures parent initialization. C. It hides attributes. D. It enforces encapsulation. Correct answer is B. It ensures parent initialization. Last question. This decides how interview-ready you are. 40th question. What is a real-world sign of poor encapsulation? A. Fast development. B. Frequent breaking changes in dependent code. C. Clear interfaces. D. Reusable components. Correct answer is B. Frequent breaking changes in dependent code. Did this quiz expose a weak spot?